Hello guys, good morning. This is Suhail Khalid Pinjari. Today's date is 2nd of April 2022. Today I am discuss on the topic synchronization in Java. So let's start. What is synchronization? We all know about multi-threading. In a multi-threading, we see a multiple thread can work at the same time on the same element or same block. So synchronization is a process who does not permit to multi-threads and process on a same on a element in a same time. This is called as synchronization. In a multi-threading, we see one and more thread can work with a same work in a same time on a same function or same element. So we take a wrong output in that because one or more threads are work similar time. So to stop this wrong output, Java developer search and the Java developer invented synchronization method and synchronization process. In a synchronization process, synchronization is broadly or mainly divided into two types. First one is a method level synchronization and second one is a block level synchronization. So block level synchronization is a very useful and it is very fast to the method level synchronization. So first we see method level synchronization. First is method level synchronization. In a method level synchronization, our threads are stopped before the method. They does not enter in a method if we synchronize our method. Means, for example, we have three threads. First one is a T1 thread, second one is a T2 thread, and third one is a T3 thread. At the time when T1 thread goes to perform some operation on some element, at that time, at the same time, if T2 and T3 thread also goes to the perform some operation on a same element, at that time the we use synchronization process in that particular method. Then in a synchronization area, if one thread is working one thread is working in a synchronized area, that time synchronization process does not allow to another threads goes in a method or work and perform any operation or any operation on a particular element. So this is our method synchronization, method area synchronization. So second one is our block level synchronization. In a block level synchronization, this synchronization is permitted to multiple thread is come in a method area, but it does not permitted more than one thread to enter in a block area. Means our block area, we all know about our block area. Block area is started with a curly braces and ended with a curly braces. So this is our block area. In that our time is this method is our time saving method, because when multiple threads are comes and enter in a method, so they do their 50% work in a method, and after it remaining 50% work they do in our block area. At that time, when one thread is goes in a particular block to perform a particular operation, at that time other threads are waiting in are waiting out of the block for completing for completing the first thread work. And after and if one thread first in if first thread work is completed, after synchronization process is provide is synchronization is process permitted to second one to go and work and and work other operation on this particular element or particular data. So this is a real-time example of the synchronization. Is if suppose three friends are making a joint account in a bank, and one day all of three are think about to all of three are think about to first if three friends are think about the making an account in a one bank, and this is an joint account, and in account 5,000 balance are credited by one person, and those balance are 5,000 rupees. And one day all of three friends are thinking about to deposit the amount from our bank account, and all of three are goes to the deposit the amount at the same time. If but in a multi-threading means one person is a T1 means thread 1, second person is a T2 means thread 2, and third person is a T3 means thread 3. So first person goes, and first person, second person and third person, both all of them are deposit the amount from this bank account at the same time. At that time the multi-threading process are shown. All of three are deposit the 5,000 rupees from their bank account, but this is corrupted data because only 5,000 rupees are available in those in this bank account. And how can all of three are get 5,000 rupees? So this is a corrupted data shows with the help of with inheritance. So and this corrupted data will not shown in our process, and the original data and original data are shown in our process, and the synchronization process are developed by developers. So this is all about synchronization process. Okay, thank you.